Guys, it's almost the end of the lemon season. I am going to preserve some for the rest of the year. So what I'm doing here is I'm washing my lemon first. Oops, don't keep coming back. Okay, our lemons are clean. We're gonna cut them in half so we can juice them. See, look at that. This is when the rind is so thick, that means your lemon's about to go bad. It's getting overripe. Okay, guys, we have a whole, what's that? Big container of lemons. We're gonna juice them, okay? We're juicing them. Since we don't have any shortage of lemons, we don't really need to squeeze all of them out. I just don't want it to be too bitter because the rind can get better, if you squeeze the rind. See? So, this is how much juice we extracted from that. We still have lots of lemons on the tree. So, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put them in my silicone mold and put them in the freezer. Oh, let's strain it, guys, because I don't want pulp or seeds in my mold. So as I mentioned, we still have lots of lemon on the tree. As soon as this harden and I can transfer it into a Ziploc bags, I'm going to harvest more and do the same thing. The goal is I can save enough lemon until next harvest season. I usually start seeing lemons on the tree or harvesting lemon around end of October or November, early November. So my goal is to have enough lemon to last until then. Yun lang.